Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix64. Today's kind of a different video. I picked up one of these Lenovo Tab M11s comes with the pen and the Folio case. And this is my first Android tablet. I've always had iPads and I can't wait to open this up and try it out. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Trusty Swiss Army knife. Here we go. Alright, what this thing has is as far as a processor goes, is a MediaTek Helio G88. It's 8 cores. 2 cores operate at 2 gigahertz and 6 at 1.8 gigahertz. I think it has Android 13 on it, but it's good for updates until Android 15. Ooh, yeah. Very nice. Very thin, just like the newer iPads. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 188 gigabyte eMMC storage. It has 4 speakers, Dolby Atmos, so that's very cool. It has a front camera and a rear camera, and they're both 8 megapixels, so nothing very fancy, but I mean, for a budget tablet, this is awesome. I mean, it's really thin. It looks kind of like space gray in the Apple products, so I'm trying to compare apples to Androids here. The Wi-Fi is only AC and the Bluetooth is 5.1. It has a USB 2.0 port, which is right there on the bottom, just like an iPad. 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Let's see. Oh, right there on the corner. And this looks like a SIM card slot, but it's actually an SD card slot, so I can expand the storage, which is really cool. It seems like a great little budget tablet with very good pen support. It has up to 10 hours of battery life. And I also got, let's see here, we have the power brick, instruction booklets, USB-C to USB 2.0 cable, and I got the model that came with the pen and the folio. So that's very cool. I get to try that out. And this was all for like $200. I mean, just an Apple Pencil alone is $100. And this must be our Folio case, which is cool because those are also money that you would have to spend. Yes. Very nice. I've always liked Lenovo products. I have a Legion Go, one of those gaming handhelds, and it's very nice quality. Okay. Let's see. There's instructions on that, so I'm going to take a look at that. Oh, I also wanted to note that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on my own. Let's try to turn it on here. Very cool. Nice bright screen. Not bad for a sub 200 tablet. Alright, they're set up. Looks like the tablet just slides right in here. Oh, maybe it just clips down. Yeah, it does. Cool. I don't know how to use it, but I will eventually. Okay, that separates from there. I've never used Folio cases on my iPads. I always have those magnetic types, so I've never really used this before. But yeah, I mean, talk about something nice and small to take with you. There's a strap. And it's got a place for the pen or pencil or whatever they call these on this Lenovo. Alright, it looks like it comes apart. There's a AAA battery in there. And you just screw that back together. Okay, let's read the user agreement. Like everybody else. Oh yeah, like super fast reading there. Okay. Alright, wants me to connect to Wi-Fi. There, pen goes down there. Take the whole thing with you. I will set up the software and be right back. Okay. Alright, I got it all set up. It even has facial recognition like the iPad Pros, so that's very cool. As you can see, I can use the pen to navigate around, scroll, kind of like a mouse, just like the iPad. So yeah, it's so far so good. Let's try the calculator. Let's see, 45 times 3. Very nice. And it gives you a little history over here in the app. Oh yeah, you can clear all the running apps, just like other Androids. Like I say, I'm not real familiar with Android. I just got a Android phone also, because I probably will need it for the channel and this to try different things out. Can't do everything in the Apple verse. So oh, Star Trek Beyond. I wish they'd make a new Star Trek. That'd be cool. Anyway, I don't know. Oh yeah, you can watch all kinds of movies. Fun. Yeah, I don't, I don't know how to use Android, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this. I wish I could show you more, but I really don't know my way around the Android OS. And I need to figure out how to use this Folio also. Anyway, you'll probably see this in future videos where it requires something to do with Android or what have you. But yeah, for the most part, not a bad little tablet. Can't beat the price, and to include a pen, I mean, it's very responsive. So I like it. Well, this wraps up another edition of Fix 64. As I said, I'll get to learn how to use this and maybe shoot another video on it or something. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to my viewers. And I will catch you in the next one. Yay, I got out of that video app, and I also figured out the Folio case. So, awesome.